Welcome to this clear and concise tutorial on how to edit the Read More button in WordPress. In this guide, you will learn how to navigate your WordPress account and customize the Read More text on your website without any hassle. Begin by opening your web browser and going directly to your WordPress website. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will see a login option. Click on the login button to proceed. After selecting the login option, you will be presented with different methods for authentication. Choose the option to continue with Google, and from the list of available accounts, select the one you wish to use for accessing your WordPress dashboard. This method streamlines the login process and reduces the need to remember additional credentials. Once you are logged in, focus on the layout of your WordPress dashboard where you will find a section known as Quick Links. Within this section, you will see an option labeled Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to enter the site editing interface where you can make changes to your website's design and content. After entering the site editor, shift your attention to the top left corner of the screen. There, you will notice a plus icon that allows you to add new elements or access editing options. Click on this plus icon to reveal further editing tools. Moving deeper into the customization process, begin typing the words "Read More" into the search field that appears. Typing "Read More" will prompt the system to locate the Read More button settings and display the corresponding element. When the system shows you the Read More option, click on it to bring up the configuration panel associated with this particular element. The visual interface will now display a text box where the current text "Read More" is visible. At this point, you have the opportunity to personalize this text according to your needs. Delete or modify the existing text and type the new text you wish to appear in its place. This step is important because it allows you to fully customize the call to action that your website visitors see, ensuring it aligns with the voice and style of your website. Once your new text is in place and you are satisfied with the change, it is time to make sure your changes are saved. Look for the Save button on your interface and click it to preserve all your modifications. Saving ensures that the new text is applied across your website and will be visible to your visitors during their interactions with your site. By following these steps, you have successfully updated the Read More button text on your WordPress site. This process is streamlined to allow even beginners to make design changes with ease. Each action you take, from logging in and navigating the dashboard to selecting and editing the Read More element, is designed to offer you control over your website without requiring advanced technical skills. Enjoy the benefits of a more personalized site as you continue to explore WordPress's many customization features.